Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to unbox the EufyMake E1 UV printer. So I have this is the a short version. I also have an extended version because Anchor sent me probably more than a dozen boxes, including various blanks and supplies and different things that you can use, but don't necessarily need to get started with the EufyMake. So I have that extended version I'm going to link to in the description. This one we are going to get right to the main event where we are unboxing the actual printer, the ink, some couple of things that you will need to do right away. So let's get to it.
This is the UV printer. What if I got it all the way up here and it wasn't it? Okay. All right, let's put this how it's supposed to be. Like this. I may need to get my stool, but we're gonna see how this goes. Now I'm like out of breath. I need my stool. I'm only 5 feet, so when I put these big boxes up on top of here, it's like really a difficult, it's difficult to reach. Okay. Thing on top. I guarantee you it's going to be another box within a box. Yeah. Okay. So here's what we do in these situations. We flip it to its side. Hey, see that? That's great. Okay. Still extremely large. Okay. Now we'll put it back. Okay. Now let's see. Looks like it's telling me has some straps on each side, some green straps. Literally, I've never had directions on how to open a box, but this is what it says to do. And then it says this is gonna, whoop, yep, there we go. Okay. And then inside here, tray. This is the printer. I love doing this because you get an idea of the actual size of this stuff. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else. Okay. Let's get our first look. I've seen this at a couple of trade shows, including CES, but I have not gotten to operate one on my own. I have other UV printers. I have an Epson V1070, but I don't have, this is the first time I've got this. Okay, so my guess is there's going to be stuff inside. Take these little tabs off, and I'm going to open, and there's going to be a bunch of stuff in here. So I will try to do this so you guys can see. All right. We've got, it tells you everything that's in here. So this one has some glasses. It looks like it has a power cord, some kind of like hex tray. Yeah, so that's all in here. I don't want to lose anything, so I'm gonna leave it all like that for now. Okay, and then we've got, I'm gonna take off this plastic that is protecting. This says do not remove before printing a test. So I know how the other UV printer that I have operates. This one is definitely different, so I'm gonna need to get it set up. I will tell you, whoops, this is a sticky mat. This is basically a pass-through. So even though this is a small area here, this is not your limit, okay? And I actually can feel that there's more. Yeah, So there's a piece here. Okay. And the ink is going to go back up in here. I'll get you guys some closer shots. For now, I just want to get this all undone. Okay, now let's see if we have ink. I'm going to push this to the side for right now. I love how compact it is. That's one of the nice things about the Eufy. It does say the ink is sent in a separate box, box B, but I got obviously so many boxes that I don't know. Oh, maybe this is it. There's a bunch of things in here. Yay, this is it. I left it till last. Okay, so the cleaning cartridge, that's in here. Let me get this stuff out of this box, and I'll show you guys what all this is. Yeah, okay. Woo! I was getting a little worried there. Okay, so here we go. We've got ink and a cleaning cartridge, ink and a cleaning cartridge. So they sent me actually 2 packs of ink. Yeah, okay. So I'm obviously not going to put this all together in this video. I wanted to do this unboxing. So depending on what you purchase, you could get started with just the Eufy and the ink. Okay, those are like the starter level what you need. If you're going to add something else on, I would either do the Laminator or the Rotary. The Laminator is not something that you absolutely have to have. It is going to make it super, super helpful if you are going to do UV DTF stickers. The Rotary is going to be essential if you plan to do anything that's a conical shape, like a glass, mugs, tumblers, anything like that. And then obviously the large majority of what I got was blanks. You saw there's tumblers, there's mugs, there's wall art, there's I don't even know all the stuff. I didn't even open everything yet because we saw that a lot of it was blank. But this is going to be one of the essentials: ink and the printer itself. Now I will tell you from experience with all the printers I have, my recommendation is to always have a backup set of inks, because if you run out, you will be stopped printing. Okay, so you won't be able to print at all if you run out of even one ink. Okay, so make sure that you have a backup set of ink. All right, all of the links are in the description below. If you're looking for another video on UV printing, I have a link below to my other printers that are UV printers. I have a pro colored, and I also have the Epson that I was talking about. I also have just general information about what is UV printing if you're looking for. I will tell you, this EufyMake E1 is the entry level. It is the lowest priced option. It is the most compact that is to fit at home. So a really good option for people who are looking to just jump in. And if you're doing this for a small business, you're doing this for personal, you are tired of printing and cutting and weeding, really, really good option. All right, guys, see you soon.